Hello everyone, I'm your announcer PJ, and today we'll be talking about the San Cristobal Volcano.
The San Cristobal Volcano, located in the country of Nicaragua, Central America, which is in the northern hemisphere and right next to the Pacific Ocean. Here's a fun fact for you. The name Pacific originates from the Latin word paz, which means peace. A Portuguese explorer named the ocean Mar Pacífico in 1521, which translates to peaceful sea.
The volcano is exactly 1,745 meters high and is located on the Caribbean plate on this location. The San Cristobal is not the tallest volcano in Nicaragua, but is definitely the most massive. It is locally known as El Viejo, which translates to the Old One. The volcano is a composite volcano, which are steep-sided cone volcanoes formed from layers of ash and lava flows. The eruptions from these volcanoes may be a pyroclastic flow rather than a flow of lava. A pyroclastic flow is an intensely hot mix of hot steam, ash, rock, and dust. A pyroclastic flow can travel down the side of a volcano at a very high speeds with temperatures over 400 degrees Celsius. The volcano has erupted a load of times, going from its first recorded eruption in 1685 and its current ongoing pyroclastic eruption ever since mid-2015, where it's casual eruptions, emitting plumes of gases. The San Cristobal is surrounded by the town of Chinandega, and it's like the background of the town. The town has a population of only 134,720. Although the volcano is set near Chinandega, the actual country the volcano is located in is Nicaragua, Central America, which has a population of over 6.15 million. And the capital is Managua. The local language in Nicaragua is Spanish, and the currency is Nicaraguan Cordoba. The plate that caused the San Cristobal volcano to form are the Cocos Plate and the North American Plate. The plate boundary is a transform boundary. In the past, the volcano has had many, if not only, pyroclastic eruptions, and even now it has been having a continuous amount of gas being expelled from the volcano, causing many citizens to evacuate the area because of the toxic gas, and families moving cities and towns because the gas is spreading through their town. In conclusion, my prediction for the next eruption for the San Cristobal volcano would be an estimate of around 2 to 3 years. Since magma takes a long time to build up, it would be obvious to think it would take a few years, especially according to the eruption history of the volcano. This would be normal, and according to the eruption's history and details, the San Cristobal volcano has very explosive eruptions, and explosive eruptions take a long time to build up. I have a bibliography on more information about this in the link. Well, that's all for now. It's been good. I'm your announcer PJ, signing off.